Alrighty guys, so this is about 2 weeks and a half. Alright, so I think we'll say a good 2 weeks you will get protection. It is not doing the crazy beating as it did in the beginning. So it's starting to really fade. So I'm gonna give it about a good 2 weeks maybe. As you can see, it's starting to just sheet the water down. It wasn't nothing crazy like it was in the first 2 videos. So I say a good 2 weeks out of it. Pretty good, not bad. So 2 weeks guys, I'll say good 2 weeks. You'll get the hydrophobic effects, and then it'll slowly maybe die. So there is the review on the ceramic glass cleaner I use. The sheeting, it's more sheeting now, so starting to die down. Alrighty guys, so the can says shake well. For heavily soiled areas, do about 4 to 5 minutes, and for decent ones that are not that bad, do about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so I really don't want to make this video long, so we're gonna do the 3 minutes, and then I'll bring you guys right back. It has SiO2 in this product, so that's gonna help it. It says an invisible ceramic barrier helps repel dirt and road grime and provides easier cleaning for tough soils, kind of like my wheels. And then it says foaming action helps lift away dirt and break dust. So pretty much after I clean them guys, we'll rinse them off, and then it says for that full hydrophobic effect, hit them again and rinse off. So that's what we're gonna do. So at this point I'm gonna spray it. It is shaking very well, so let's get to this. All right, so I've shaken this can up pretty well. Now let's try this, and then next up we're gonna be doing the tires. I'm gonna be cleaning those. All right, so far very foamy, which I like. Foam is good. So we're gonna leave that for about, let's just do 3 minutes, and we'll be back and we'll start agitating it. But you can see it's coming off pretty quick. So we'll be back in 3 minutes, and we'll check it out. Alrighty guys, so at 3 minutes the product has pretty much dissolved, and then it says agitate. So we're gonna agitate this wheel. I feel like it would need more like lubrication, so I'm just gonna end up doing it a little bit different. I'm just gonna spray some real quick so it kind of has some more cleaning power. I'm gonna agitate these wheels very quick. As far as the cleaning capability, I feel like maybe it's not really cleaning the wheel, other than like spreading the product. After we use like a dedicated wheel cleaner, I feel like the wheel cleaner really like breaks everything. But let's keep agitating. Alrighty guys, so I have agitated the whole wheel already, and we are now to the rinsing off. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off with my water hose, and let's see how it does. Let's see if it gives us that hydrophobic particle that it says it gives you. So let me read the can real quick, make sure I don't have to spray this off real quick. Just says truly rinse. All right, so here we go. Let's see what we can catch. So I definitely don't see the beading or I don't see that. I've seen other videos where it's like repelling the water, but I don't see it on my wheels. Okay, I see a little bit. All right, I'm starting to see a little bit. I guess now that it's maybe drying. So I do see a little bit of the repellency right up here. There's a little bit of it. There's just a little bit. I don't know if my wheel was just so dirty that it didn't really work, but there's some here, a little bit up here. There's some right there, and I guess it's said to get the full effect of it. It said spray evenly again at the end. And let it sit there for a little bit, for like 30 seconds. And let's see if this second round gives me that hydrophobic particle. The odor on this, guys, it's a little bit strong. It's definitely smells. Not overbearing, but it smells. So you can see the product kind of breaking it down like it did on the window cleaner. It definitely broke it down in some areas. Maybe my wheels were just dirty. But let's spray it down. It's set for to get the full effect. Spray, and then let's rinse it off. Let's see if it gives us that hydrophobic effect on the second pass. Let's see. Ah, there it is. Okay, I see it. So on this round, I can definitely see more of the hydrophobic effect on the wheels. There's more of the bubbles, or the water. Okay, so I think it was just my wheels were just so dirty that first round really didn't do much. But if you guys can see it right on this right there, it's working. It is definitely working right there, guys. Nice. Okay. All right, let's go to the next product. Alrighty guys, so for this process I wanted to fully dry the tire for the next process, so I am now blowing it with my iWorks blow dryer, and I'm pretty much just drying the tire evenly so that I can maybe just speed the process up for you guys. So I didn't want to make it a long video, so pulled out the blow dryer, or the blow dryer, oh my gosh, the lawn blower. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for your patience. I completely wanted to dry the tire, so just thank you if you're still to this part. So now we're gonna review this is their new ArmorAll Extreme Shield ceramic tire coating. And I want to be very transparent. I feel like the word tire coating, or the word coating on anything, it's like the catchphrase, kind of like when we started hearing the word graphene. But anyways, I'm not no expert in this area, so let's see what it does. It's supposed to, as far as I know, coating is supposed to like repel and stuff like that. So I think this is what it's supposed to do. And obviously it says it right here. Dirt repelling technology, and it says medium shine, lasts for weeks. Key points on here, it says non-greasy, medium shine, finish dries to the touch. Endures for weeks against rain, dirt, and multiple car washes. Easy to use, multi-directional, the aerosol. Alright, so it says shake well, and then it says hold the can 4 to 6 inches away, remove any overspray or drift with the towel. Alright, so the way I'm gonna do it, guys, is I am strictly going to spray the tire, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna wipe anything off, and then I'm pretty much just gonna put it into my garage, and we're gonna leave it like that for the remainder of the weekend. And then I will bring you guys in maybe Monday once it dries up, and we'll get I guess an initial reaction after I've done all this work, and see what it does. So let me apply it, and we'll be back with final thoughts, and we'll end this video for you guys. Alrighty guys, so be forewarned. Wear a mask, a face mask or something, if you do not like the odor, because this thing, Smells really bad, to be honest. All right, I've been shaking this for a good while, so let's see. Overall, the spray pattern, it is pretty evenly. Oh, this thing smells. ArmorAll. Oh, this smells bad. So there's a lot of I can see some drips coming down, so I may just end up knocking it down with a towel. But it said medium shine. This thing looks glossy. And then I'm just gonna do a quick pattern to the other side from far, just so it can kind of grab the other side. All right, I know that was excessive, guys, but you know what the heck, let's use this orange towel right here, and I'm just gonna do it very lightly, just to kind of remove the excess. I don't want to remove the gloss, just the excess. So I'm just going over it very lightly, just pretty much on top of the dressing. I just want to get the runoffs, so I'm literally just gliding the towel over, and that's it. And let's go ahead and just clean off the wheel as so, and we're just gonna leave it like this, guys. I'm gonna pull it pretty much back into the garage, and we will be done. I'm gonna give some final thoughts on this product, what I liked about it, what I didn't, and we'll go from there, guys. So let me finish this little part, and I'll be back with final thoughts on it. And again, I'm excited to, I guess, kind of see this product, see what it does. Alrighty, guys, so in closing, I just want to say thank you for watching to the very end, guys. I really do appreciate, and I know many want to have feedbacks on these new products that just come out. Unfortunately for the name ArmorAll, many dislike it, but just an opinion. The ArmorAll Extreme Shield ceramic cleaner and their tire coating, overall bottle presentation, guys, I love it. We're definitely going to be keeping an eye on this. As you guys saw, my window cleaner lasted about 2 weeks, so I'm happy with that. I'm really happy. 2 weeks, and I'm okay with that. Now the true battle is going to be this tire coating and this wheel cleaner. I honestly believe these products are amazing, or would be great for the do-it-yourself guy, the guy that, you know, washes his vehicles every other week or once a month. I honestly believe this could be a great product for you. Now, for the professionals, obviously, you guys already X'd this product out many times in many videos, or even the name. So I'm not here to tell you what to use, what not to use. But overall, these were, I think, around $8 a can at Walmart, and you can't miss them. They are right there, and you know, we're definitely gonna see. I'm a little bit skeptical. I'll give this product, at first I was a little bit kind of worried because I didn't see the hydrophobic effect that I saw in other videos, but maybe I'm gonna say that the wheels were just so dirty that it just didn't really pick up. And then when I did the second spray and I let the product work itself in there, it started to break it, and obviously hopefully the camera caught it when I was spraying it. It started to really give me the hydrophobic effects. Now I'm only going to be leaving this tire and this wheel as is, and I'll show you all my other wheels how they look bad, guys. But we'll keep an eye on it. We really will. And I think it's starting to sheen out to like that medium shine, I'm assuming. But obviously we'll see on Monday how it looks and how this wheel reacts. On Monday I will spray it. Hopefully I do a car, we'll spray it down, we'll get some feedback on there. But overall, I mean, I was a little bit worried on this one at first because I didn't see nothing that the other videos have done. And obviously the tire coating, it smells. It's the odor is strong. So if you're looking for a product that has that doesn't smell bad, this one would probably not be it. All right. It smells really bad. Unfortunately, I could not even say I like spraying it because you can smell it. All right. So overall, happy Saturday, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Again, thank you so much for the opportunity. I didn't want to make this video very long, but I wanted to go ahead and I guess finish my little series with these. I've had them. I just didn't want to pull the trigger on them just because there's so many videos out there already on these two products. So I really didn't want to overbear people with more of these videos. But as the more I just kept seeing them sitting there, I was like, man, I'm off. This car is not going to go anywhere. So this is definitely one of the reasons why I wanted to do it on my truck. Now, before I end this video, this tire coating, it said wait about an hour before you drive it for minimal sling, and then for the full effect, you know, let it cure for 24 hours. Cure. This is not for the professionals for that reason. If you are a pro or you have a detailing business, this would not be good for you, because after you finish your car, if you spray this in the next 20 minutes that you detail the car, the customer is going to drive off and there's going to be sling everywhere. Then you're probably going to get phone calls saying, hey, there's sling all over my tires. So this product would not be good for the pros or to even use in your business, because it's just going to sling. So this is more for that do-it-yourself guy that has the time, that's not going to go anywhere. You can definitely use this, let the product just do its work and see what it does. But anyways, you guys have a blessed day. God bless you, and we'll see you guys on the next video.